I'm Franklin Becker. Join me on a culinary road trip as I take iconic state dishes from around the country and recreate them with a type 2 diabetes-friendly twist. This is 50 States, 50 Plates. In this episode, I'm recreating an iconic Indiana dish, the pork tenderloin sandwich. Ladies and gentlemen, start your culinary engines. For my type 2 diabetes-friendly take, I'm leaving the white Kaiser roll in the dust, and I'm making a pit stop to swap out panko breadcrumbs for whole wheat crackers. Pound your pork tenderloin nice and thin so it's tender and cooks evenly. Dredge those pork cutlets in your flour mixture, then the egg white mixture, and then go into the whole wheat cracker crumbs. I love cooking my pork tenderloin outside on a cast iron pan on the grill. Low-carb buns are a great alternative to a traditional burger bun. Time to build that sandwich. Tomatoes, lettuce, pickles, you name it. This sandwich, it's got it. Now that's a dish in a race of its own. Want more type 2 diabetes-friendly takes on iconic state dishes? Visit Ozempic.com.
Ozempic is an injectable prescription medicine used along with diet and exercise to improve blood sugar in adults with type 2 diabetes and to reduce the risk of major cardiovascular events such as heart attack, stroke, or death in adults with type 2 diabetes with known heart disease. Ozempic is not for people with type 1 diabetes or children under 18 years of age. It is not known if Ozempic can be used in people who have had pancreatitis. Do not share needles or Ozempic pen with others. Don't reuse needles. Sharing may lead to infection. Do not take Ozempic if you have a personal or family history of medullary thyroid cancer, multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome type 2, or if you are allergic to Ozempic. Stop taking Ozempic and get medical help right away if you get a lump or swelling in your neck or an allergic reaction. Serious side effects may happen, including pancreatitis. Stop taking Ozempic and get medical help right away if you get severe stomach pain. Gallbladder problems may occur. Call your provider if you have symptoms such as stomach pain, fever, or yellowing of the skin or eyes. Tell your doctor if you have diabetic retinopathy or vision changes. Tell your doctor if you are pregnant, plan to become pregnant, or are breastfeeding. Taking Ozempic with a sulfonylurea or insulin may increase the risk for low blood sugar. Talk to your doctor about how to prevent, recognize, and manage low and high blood sugar. Common side effects are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach pain, and constipation. Talk to your doctor about any side effect that bothers you or does not go away. Some side effects can lead to dehydration, which may worsen kidney problems. Drinking plenty of fluids may reduce your chances of dehydration. This video is not medical advice and does not replace the advice given to you by your healthcare provider. Talk to your healthcare provider about any concerns you may have about managing your type 2 diabetes. If you're not reaching your blood sugar goal, ask your healthcare provider if once-weekly Ozempic can help.